So yesterday we were discussing about the nomenclature of organic compounds containing functional group. Is it right? Right? Okay. So now we shall continue the examples. Shall continue the doing examples or assigning the IUPAC name for the organic compounds containing functional groups. Okay. So let us continue. So right. So the first one. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? How can we name this? Which is the longest carbon chain? Which is the longest carbon chain here? Anybody tell me which is the longest carbon chain? Straight chain is the longest carbon chain. So it is, you have to name from this carboxyl group 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, so what is the name of the compound? So no substituent here, only one functional group and two functional groups. So that is double bond and as well as carboxylic acid group. So we have to give preference to the carboxylic acid group. Is it right? In the order of preference, we have to give first preference for carboxylic acid group. That is, it is written in the suffix only. So similarly, the alkene also written in the suffix only. Then, what is the name of this compound? Butan 2.
Butan 2 on.
Butan 3 in. Butan 3 in 1 oic acid. Is it right? Butan 3 in 1 oic acid. Or we can write butan 3 in oic acid. Butan 3 in oic acid. Right? So do you know this? How the name comes? Hege barbe gotaita? Then second one. Yeah, can you tell me the name of this compound? How it look like? How it look like? ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಲ್ವಾ molecule? Is it right? Then tell me the name of the compound. So from which side we have to give number? From which side we have to assign the number?
Left.
Huh? From
Left side.
Why? Why it is from left side? See, this is ethyl group.
Their methyl group is present. Right?
Which group is present on the left side?
Sir, from left side, their methyl group.
Methyl group is present. Okay. Yeah.
Methyl.
Ethyl group is present in the right side. Okay. So the ethyl group first comes in the alphabet. Is it right? In the alphabetical order, the name of the ethyl group comes first.
Yes.
So that's why that group containing, that ethyl group containing carbon get the least possible number. That's why we have to number from the right side. Sorry, right side or left side?
Left side.
From left side. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what is the name of this compound?
6-ethyl 2-methyl nanoate.
6-ethyl 2-methyl nonane.
Nanoate.
6-ethyl 2-methyl nonane. Okay. Then next one. Next one. See how this compound look like. So what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? Which chain is selected as parent chain? First of all, ಯಾವ chain select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Parent chain. Parent chain must and should include double bond. Double bond include ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, so check the possibility. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so one possibility there. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Idondu possibility there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Four possibility there. Yav chain bekadru select ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then so ಈಗ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ select ಮಾಡೋಣ? So more branch ಇರೋದು select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 ಇದನ್ನ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು branch ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು branch ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ branch ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you should not select the
Yes, sir.
parent chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it right? Am I right? Then so which is a group present in this third position? Which is a group? 1, 2, 3. Which group is that? Which alkyl group is that? 1, 2, 3. If the 3 carbon atom is present, propyl. Is it right? This is ethyl.
Propyl.
So this is ethyl. So according to
Sir,
alphabet,
4-ethyl 3-propyl. 4-ethyl.
4-ethyl 3-propyl.
4-ethyl 3-propyl. 3-propyl hex.
Hex 1-ene. Is it right? That is 4-ethyl 3-propyl hex 1-ene. Hex 1-ene. Next.
Hexguanine.
Right. Next. CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3, CH3. So how we are going to name? How we are going to name? Right?
Sir, from left side we should number.
Very good. From left side, 1, 2,
We should number.
4. Why we should number? Assign number from left side?
Sir, because principal group should get a least number.
Which one is principal group? That is functional group is here.
On it on.
C double bond O. That group is called as oxo group. Ketone. It belongs to family ketone.
Oxo group.
Then, so one substituent is there. First of all, we should name the substituent.
Sir, 3-methyl.
Ah.
3-methyl.
Ah.
3-methyl butone.
Butanone. Okay, don't be confused. 3-methyl butanone. Right? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ compounds naming go. Right? Completed? Left side? Left side complete ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Next. CH3 C double bond CH2 CH CH2 CH3 CH3. So how we are going to name? Which carbon chain is selected as longest carbon chain?
Straight chain.
Straight chain. Straight chain. It include double bond.
No, sir. No, sir.
Then,
Branched.
then how you select the straight chain as a parent chain? Then the parent chain is selected in such a way that it should contain the double bond or functional group. Is it right? So this is the parent chain. This is the parent chain here. So we have to number from this side only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, so how we are going to name? Huh?
2,3 dimethyl pent 1-ene.
Very good. 2,3 dimethyl pent 1-ene.
Sir.
Okay, right? So 2 comma 3 dimethyl, 2 comma 3 dimethyl,
Pentene. Pentene.
pent 1 in adu baribodu, or we can write 2 comma 3 dimethyl pent. Right. Then next one. CH3, C triple bond, C, CH2, CH3.
Sir, we should number from left side.
Yeah, very good. You should number from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the name of this?
Pent. Alala. Pent.
Ah,
Pent to all. Pent to ine.
very good. Pent2-ine. Pent2-ine. Then see how we are going to name this. Very importantly. So it is a beautiful compound. Swastika. How we are going to name? What is the name of this organic compound? What is the name of this organic compound?
Sir, how to select a chain?
Yeah. Try to identify the longest carbon chain. Try to identify. See, either from this chain is also selected. So each chain ಆದ್ರೂ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ chain ಆದ್ರೂ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Are you understood? Okay. So at third position, ethyl group is there, another ethyl group is there. At third carbon atom, 2.
3 comma
Now
3 comma 3 di 3
di.
comma 3 diethyl pentane.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
3,3 diethyl pentane.
Diethyl ಅಲ್ಲ, methyl ಅಲ್ಲ. That is
Ethyl, sir. Ethyl.
right.
Ethyl pentane.
3 comma 3 diethyl pentane. See, it is how simple.
Sir, is there
How simple molecule it is.
excuse me, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, is there any other name for specified names for this compound?
Specified name. How? In which way we are going to select? In ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಈ ಚೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 2 3 4 5 ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3,3 diethyl pentane. ರೈಟ್? ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಚೈನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಚೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ this chain also to be selected. 3,3 diethyl pentane. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದೆಯಾ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್? ಎನಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್?
Okay, sir.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
No.
No possibility, sir.
Okay, right. So then next, so CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, C2H5, C2H5, then CH2, CH3. So how we are going to number? From which side we have to give number? From right side. Why? Because this carbon, ethyl containing carbon, get the least possible number. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
5 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane.
3 ethyl 4 methyl
3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane.
Very good. 3 ethyl, 4 methyl
Hexane.
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 Right. Then 9th one. See how it is. See how look like, how it look like. Then, which is the longest carbon chain should we select? Which is the longest carbon chain here? It should include both the double bonds and COH group. Is it right? Why? Because it is the principal functional group here. Okay. Then, how we are going to number? Which is the longest carbon chain here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, it is assumed to be cyclic in nature, but it is not cyclic. Is it right? Not cyclic. It is not cyclic, so it is a straight chain. But there is a we are going to write in the bond line formula. Okay. Yeah, now we can name. At the 6th carbon, at 6th position, 1 methyl there.
6, 2. 6, 2 diethyl.
Not 6, 2, 2, 6 you should tell. 2,
6 dimethyl.
2, 6 dimethyl. 2, 6 dimethyl.
2, 6 dimethyl.
Heptane. Heptane. Heptane 2, 5.
Hep 2, 5 in. 2,
in 1 oic acid.
hep
1
2, 5 hep in.
Oic acid is there na? In 1 oic acid. 2,
Oic acid. No.
2, 6 dimethyl heptane 7 heptane 2, 5 double bond 2, 5 in double bond 1 oic acid, or you can write 2, 6 dimethyl heptane 2, 5 in oic acid. In oic acid. Right? So, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ difficult ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Is it right? It seems to be difficult, but after numbering, sir, ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ ನೀವೇ. Then next one. CH3 C double bond O C CH3 double bond, CH3, COOH. See here this compound contains. See, I'm going to write confused. See, make it correctly. CH3, C double bond O, CH3, double bond CH3, C double bond O, OH. So this compound contains two functional groups. Is it right? This compound contains two functional groups. Can you identify the functional groups?
Oic acid.
So that is
Sir, oic acid. 2 oic acid.
Then another
Methyl group. 2 methyl group is present and double bond.
okay, double bond. Then another functional group is there.
2 methyl group is also present over there.
Ketone.
Ketone.
It is also a functional group. Ketone. Alkene. 3 functional
Auxiliary
groups.
group ketone.
When polyfunctional group is present in the same molecule, what we have to do? We have to follow the order of preference. Is it right? Order of preference na follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then, so which group is considered to be the principal functional group? Which comes first in the order of preference? Which group?
Methyl. Methyl group.
Carboxylic acid group. See, order of preference na nodi. Alphabetical alla. Order of preference ಬರ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Order of preference.
So oxalic acid will come
OH.
first. Oxalic OH.
Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid will be
OH.
given.
Oxalic acid will come first.
Then afterwards C double bond O and afterwards
Ketone.
alkene. Carboxylic acid ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ oxo group ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ alkene ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why this group is considered to be the principal functional group. Carboxylic acid group is considered to be the principal functional group, and the remaining whatever it may be, we won't bother about that. The remaining functional group should be considered as subordinate or substituents. The names of those functional groups are written in the prefix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Then now name. So ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಈಗ
2,3 dimethyl pent 4O1 and 2-ene.
wait
2-ene.
number that should be done. Then now name the compound.
2,3 dimethyl
2,3 dimethyl.
dimethyl pent 4-one.
It should be written in the prefix only. Oxo group written in the prefix only, not in the suffix. 4-one anta ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. That is 4-oxo. Then how many number of carbon atoms are there? Pent 5 pent 2-ene oic acid. 2-ene oic acid or particular ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ 2,3 dimethyl 4-oxo pent 2-ene 1 oic acid. Right? Next one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು? Are you understood? Okay. So how we are going to name? What is the name of this compound?
Sir, from left side.
From which side?
1, 2,
Select the longest
3.
carbon first.
Sir, 1, 2, 3 trinitrils and propane.
Trinitrile. So if they written in the prefix, how they are going to write? Prefix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. So see the table.
1, 2, 3 trinitrils. Nitrils propane.
Tricyano. Cyano. It is written nitrile if it is written in the suffix. We are writing the names in the prefix only. Okay. Tricyano-propane. See 1, 2, 3. So the name of this is 1, 2, 3 tricyano-propane. Tricyano-propane. Sir, why should we consider these carbons? The carbons we consider ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ chain ಅಲ್ಲಿ, is it right? Similarly ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ consider ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Then we are considering in this. Then why we should not considering the carbon atoms here? So according to modern considerations, modern recommendation ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if there are two same functional group ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ನ we won't consider in the chain. Keep it in mind. According to the modern recommendations, if two similar functional group present in the same molecule, we won't consider them in the carbon chain. We consider them as substituents and the names of those substituents are written in the prefix only. Okay. So under this compound, write one sentence. The compound name ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. According to modern recommendations, come on. If there are two same functional group, if there are two same functional groups, if there are two same functional groups in a compound, if there are two same functional groups in a compound, they are not included in the main chain. They are not included in the main chain. They are not included in the main chain, and their prefixes are used. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? This is according to modern recommendations. I'm going to repeat once again. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. After this compound you should write in the bracket, according to modern recommendations, if there are two functional groups in the compound, if there are two functional groups in the compound, they are not included in the main chain. They are not included in the main chain, and their prefixes are used. Okay. Next, CH3, CH double bond, C, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now, how to name this compound? Which chain is selected as longest carbon chain? Which chain is selected as longest carbon chain?
Sir, branched chain.
Branch one, is it
Yes.
right? So if we
Yes, sir.
select
It
the
has
straight
6 carbon compounds.
carbon, if we select this branched chain, it contains 6 carbon atoms. See, this is the longest carbon chain. Okay. Then, from which side we have to start numbering? From left or right?
From left side because it has a double bond. It should get least number.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
3 ethyl X 2 ine. 2 ene.
Huh?
3 ethyl
Wait,
X 2
wait,
ene.
wait.
Extra left.
So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can tell 3 ethyl
3 ethyl F. Sorry.
X 2
Hex
ene.
2 ene. Correct.
Right. Now, next one. CH3, C double bond O. Right, sorry. CH3, C, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, OH. See how many functional groups are there in this compound? How many functional groups are there?
2.
2. Which are those?
3 functional. Sir, one is oxalic acid, another one is alcohol.
Alcohol and as well as?
Ketone.
Very good.
Ketone.
Ketone, alcohol. Then which group is selected as principal functional group? Among
Alcohol group is selected.
Which one?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. See the order of preference. Which group comes first? C double bond O.
Sir, ketone.
Ketone comes first.
Ketone.
Ketone comes first in the order of preference. That's why this group should be selected as principal functional group, and alcohol group is considered to be the substituent, subordinate only. Then from which side we have to numbering? Numbering
From right side.
From right side.
Right side.
That is hydroxy. H alphabetically ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ first ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me the name. Name.
4 ethyl. 4
First
ethyl.
Next.
4 methyl.
See once compound ನೋಡಿ hydroxy ಬಿಟ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ hydroxy numbering ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first. That is also substituent. This group is considered to be principal functional group. Then this is
4 methyl pent.
hydroxy.
4 methyl.
4 methyl.
4 methyl
One all.
Pentan,
Pent one all.
3-one. Pentan, 3-one. 1 hydroxy, 4-methyl, pentan, 3-one. Why can't we write 4-methyl, 1 hydroxy, pentan, 3-one? What about that? Can we write 4-methyl, 1 hydroxy, pentan, 2-one, 3-one? Can we write? Can we write? It is right or wrong? It's not right. Why? Because we have to follow alphabetical order. So H comes first after and M. Then next one. Next one.
Sir, alcohol can be also written as hydroxy.
Ah,
Sir,
yeah.
alcohol can be.
Is written as hydroxy when it is considered as a subordinate functional group. Okay. So when it is
Sir, they're
considered,
not.
yeah. Tell me.
Sir,
What's
they're
your-
muting my microphone.
What? Who?
Sir, that Lakshmi and Vikram, someone. I don't know them. They're muting my microphone, sir. They're not leaving me to answer and they're not leaving me to question also.
Your name is Ganashri.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I am going to see who is going to mute your mic. I am already observing who is going to mute. Okay, right? You can answer. Don't worry about, don't bother about others. Okay, you can answer. Then, so if it is considered now here two functional groups are there, that is ketone and as well as alcohol. Ketone is considered as principal functional group and alcohol is considered as subordinate, that is substituent. Substituent should be written in the prefixes. Is it right? We already know that substituents are written in the prefixes. So how we are going to write? Observe the table. If it is alcoholic group, it is written as hydroxy when it is written as prefix, and OL when it is written as suffix. So hydroxy anta karitivi. Prefix al baribekadre it should be written as hydroxy. Okay. Next, 14th one. Next one. CH3, CH, CH2, CHO, CH2, CHO. Then how to name this? How to number this?
Sir, from right side.
From right side. Longest carbon chain.
Straight chain.
Huh? Straight chain. See, here one aldehyde group is there, here one aldehyde group is there. So we should consider this chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step. What is the name of this compound? At third position, methyl group is there. Then remaining we should. Then 3-methyl
3-methyl 1,5 diethyl.
pentan 1,5
Dialdehyde. Aldehyde.
dial aldehyde 1,5 diol. Next What is the name of this compound? First of all, we should identify the functional group here. Which is the functional group present in this compound?
Keton.
Right?
Ketone.
A,
Alcohol.
alcohol.
Keton, sir.
See, oh, this is the functional group. Acyl chloride, COCl. This is whole functional group. This two one day functional group. COCl and the person nodi. That is acyl chloride. Okay. Then we have to number from this side only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then numbering is done already. Name. Try to give the name for this.
3, 4
3,
dimethyl. 3, 4 dimethyl.
2, 4, 2,
2, 3.
2, 3. That is 2, 3 dimethyl pentanoyl chloride. Pentanoyl chloride. Acyl chloride. Oil chloride anta barತೀವಿ. Pentan 1 oil chloride. Or you can write like this only. 2, 3 dimethyl pentan 1 oil chloride. Oil chloride. Next, see next compound. How interesting is this? ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿಗಳು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Is it right? What is the name of this compound? How we are going to name this? From which side we have to name or select the longest carbon chain first? Which is the longest carbon chain here? Which is the longest carbon chain here?
Sir, both have 7 carbon.
So we should not select straight chains. Why? Because these contain lesser number of carbon atoms. So that's why we should select
Double bond.
longest continuous chain carbon atom. See, I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it right? So now you got this is the longest carbon chain, continuous carbon chain. Then, so here at 5th position, 1 ethyl group is there. At 6th position, 1 ethyl group is there. At 3rd position, 1 methyl group is there. Then, what is the name of this compound?
5, 6 diethyl.
3 methyl. 5, 6 diethyl. 3 methyl.
Octane.
Deck 10 ಇದೆ. Deck 4 ene.
4 ene.
5, 6 diethyl 3 methyl deck 4 ene. 5, 6 diethyl 3 methyl 4 deck 4 ene. So and one last compound is there. Last Yeah. So how we are going to name this? Is a compound. Which is the longest carbon chain here? Which is the longest carbon chain? It should include the functional group. See, 1,
Straight chain.
2, not straight chain. Function group ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ straight chain ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ CH ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So 3, 4, 5. And then at second position, one methyl group is there. At third position, bromine group is there. Bromide, that is at first position, aldehyde is there. Then how we are going to name? First we should
3 bromine,
3 bromo pent 1
3
ol.
bromo,
2 methyl, 1 ol.
pentan, 1 ol. Very good. So 3 bromo,
3 bromo pent 2
2 bromo, 2 methyl, 2 methyl, pentan, 1 ol.
Sir, where is the methyl group, sir?
Sir, here is there, na sir. This is methyl group. ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So terminal indicates methyl group. Okay. So this is how we are going to name the organic compounds containing functional groups, polyfunctional groups. Is it right? So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 3 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Is it right? So why? Because you are going to forget, you should not remember after 2 classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಆಗಲೇ IUPAC nomenclature ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ. So if you practice well, number of examples na ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಓಕೆ, different examples na try ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. So you can familiar. In the next class we are going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of cyclic compounds. Functional group is over. So cyclic compounds ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ I am going to discuss with the next class. Okay. So any doubts regarding today's or previous concepts?